Oh, don't mind me. I'm just a train wreck over here. Sophie Cunningham with the point. Safety first. Can you even see what I'm doing? I'm so terrible at this. It's gonna get wild. It's gonna get wild here. Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome back to my craft room. Today, I'm gonna be using a grapevine wreath that I had from the 4th of July. I'll show you a picture of what I did with that, and now I'm going to turn it into a lemon wreath. So it's the same, oh, there's some buzz. It's the same wreath base that I used for the 4th of July. See, there's a little bit of glue there. And we're gonna cover this up with some lemons and some ribbon and some greenery. I have these I got from the Dollar Tree. These I got from Hobby Lobby. I've already used some of them. So, you know what, I think I am gonna start with the greenery. So what I wanna do is I wanna pull these all apart. It is fixing to dump outside. I don't know if you can hear the thunder. It's gonna get wild. It's gonna get wild here. My husband actually got me these, I don't know, maybe Lowe's? Anyway, he knew I needed good clippers. So he bought this for me. So all I'm gonna do right here is just clip all of the greenery off and put it to the side. I also have some of this. This I bought from, Mainstay. So that must have been Walmart, I'm assuming. Use some of this too. These big leafy suckers right here. Can you even see what I'm doing? I'm so terrible at this. Got my glue pot heating up to my left over here. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just a train wreck over here. God, get off there. I am basing this very loosely off of a picture that I saw, I think, on Pinterest from a girl's Etsy shop. And I think it was going for $179 or something like that. So I said, well, you know what, let me go through what I have, because I knew I had those lemon stems that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So I was like, let me just go in here and see what I have. Shop my stash, so to speak. Okay. Glue pot's heating up. Now I want to get the glue pot closer to my wreath. And I think I'm going to take my bracelets off and get some finger guards on. So I'm gonna go in with the greenery, and I'm just gonna start and just work my way around. So I need some stem to dip into the glue. So I just kind of remove these little pieces down at the bottom, dip it in the glue, kind of take it off a little bit, and just go, what the heck was that? I don't know what the heck's going on outside. Didn't sound good. So I'm going to turn the wreath, dip it in the glue, get the excess off, and go in. See, like this is kind of low to the stem, so I'm just going to take those off. And I go in at a slant. So I got some glue on there. Just gonna go in at a slant, because I don't want it to poke through the back. Yesterday was the 4th of July, so I'm assuming those are firecrackers that are going off out there. Needed a couple more of these, so I think 2 more. Perfect. Dig into the glue. I'm going in. How was y'all's 4th of July? Ours was very uneventful. We did have a barbecue at our house. Just burgers and dogs and bratwursts and potato salad and coleslaw and baked beans 2 ways. Because my brother can't handle pork so much anymore. So I make sure to get him the Bush's vegetarian baked beans so that he can at least have some beans. But we like a lot of pork and bacon in ours. It's a good recipe too. I should really make Mr. Lucas do a recipe. I should really make him do that. All right, now these right here got from Hobby Lobby. And you can push these up. So look at all that stem right there. So now I'm gonna go in with this, cut it a little bit short. I'm gonna going in a slant. I'm kind of gonna go in between what I already have going on here. I might skip, I don't know, how many do I have? No, I'll just go until I don't have any more. It is very rare that I get comments on my channel, and I'm not sure why, because I would gladly take any kind of constructive criticism anybody had to say. But then again, I don't get a lot of views either. I'm just a tiny channel over here. I do like putting together a video. I've never in my life did I ever think I would like that. And I really do enjoy it. Glue strings. And you don't have to have a glue pot to do this. You could absolutely do this with a glue gun. I feel like it's safer if you have a glue pot. I actually bought a glue pot from a flower shop that was going out of business. So there, I've got my glue sticks in there. That's also where I got my steel pick machine too. They were local here to Titusville. They were going out of business and they were selling everything. And believe it or not, I bought 3 of the steel pick machines. Excuse me. I bought 3 of them, and one was like the best one of them all, so I ended up keeping that one. The other 2 needed some like TLC. I gave them to my dad, and he sells on Etsy, and he sold both of them like immediately. I was like, wow, okay. Well, people need those steel pick machines, you know? And I literally bought them for like, I think I paid 30 bucks for all 3 of them. And those steel pick machines are not cheap. They are expensive. Like if you go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's and try to buy one, it's expensive. I'm just pulling all kinds of stuff around here, okay. So I'm getting pretty satisfied with the greenery. So I think I'm gonna stop right there and put the rest in a little, kind of like a scrap bin that I have. I'll do one more right there. And that's what she looks like so far. I'm sorry this is so close. I need a better setup. Anyway. Y'all been watching what's going on with Sophie Cunningham with the point. That's how I feel with these fingers on. These finger guards. Point at you. I am not a basketball watcher, but I will be watching it tonight. That girl's no joke. I'm in it for the shenanigans. Isn't that terrible? We should not be like that. You know what? I like the greenery on this, so I'm going to use that too. I'll put it in somewhere in here. So what I like to do is get all the stem, get everything off of the stem, right? Do that first. Now this is what I'm working with. And I'll use that for like a centerpiece or something like that. Because see, I have 2 of them left over. Now I'm going in with the lemon. I'm gonna do one here. All right. Here's another long one. And I'm just placing the lemons in, and as I'm going, I'm turning the grapevine. So if you had a barbecue for the 4th of July, what did you make? Or did you attend one? I have a bunch of friends that were attending some, and they just had to bring something. There was one girl I was talking to, all she had to do was a cheese ball. She was very excited. Eric and I are empty nesters. Our oldest daughter lives in Hawaii with her husband and the 2 grandbabies. Miss them, love them. Because her hubby is in the military, so they get to go and explore in different areas, and we're so grateful that they get to do that. And you know what? I might save that to go, like, where am I going to put the bow? Maybe here? No. I think I'm going to put the bow right here, so I might put one lemon, like, right in here. Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I have an even number, and I want 7. So maybe, I don't know how I managed to do that. Oh, I'll put one right there. This is a shorter stem one. So we're gonna tuck her right in there. Oh, perfect. I love it. Perfect. You can't see what I'm talking about. There we go. But, yeah. So the oldest one is in Hawaii. They're stationed there because when are we ever going to get a chance to go to Hawaii and not spend $20,000 at a resort? We'll just stay at the kiddo's house. So hopefully we can make that happen. But it's very expensive. We live here in Florida, and we all know how plane prices are. And I am not a good traveler. I am not a good flyer. This is what I have so far. I'm going to put this to the side for now. Get these finger guards off. I don't think this is wired ribbon. It just hit me. Oh, it's not. It's okay. We're going to make it work. This one's wired. All right. So I'm going to do a very simple bow. I'm just going to make it in my hand. Can you see me? So I start with a loop. It's about a 6-inch loop. Twist it in the back. Make another loop, and you can measure it by your first loop. Give that a twist. I think I'm going to do 3. Cut that off. Now, I'm going to layer this. Now, this is not wired ribbon, so I'm just going to do the best I can. So I'm just making a loop, twisting, making a loop, cut that off. That's a double bow. So what I have is a zip tie. So what I want to do is just get the zip tie started. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. I'm just going to get it started. And I ran out of my brown pipe cleaner, so I'm going to have to go with green. You know what? Do I have a beige one? Oh, I do. All right, green it is. All right, so I have the zip tie on my loops, and I have it to the back. So before I do anything, before I crank that all the way down, I'm going to add this pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to crank it all the way down. I use a zip tie because I feel like it makes the loops really pop up and out. And now I'm going to fluff my bow. I'm kind of using that, using the zip tie as like a handle. There go the firecrackers. So now I'm just fluffing my bow. And I think I'm going to dovetail them. So when you want to dovetail, you just fold the ribbon on itself and you cut up at a slant. That's it. That's all there is to it. Sometimes you get it crooked, you just redo it. So anyway, one daughter is in Hawaii. The other daughter is here, closer to us. We had her and the grandbaby over, our youngest grandbaby, Astrid. I call her my little sugar because she's so sweet. She'll be 2 in December and we can't believe it. So anyway, I wish my older daughter lived closer. That would be great. Because she's essentially like a stay-at-home mom. And I know that my younger daughter misses her. I know she does. I know she does. Because we all miss them. So bring the wreath back. Oh, they're right in front of me. All right, so weaving needles. I bought these at the Dollar Tree. I am using these to get through the grapevine. This way, the pipe cleaner isn't going all the way around it. It's going through it. So you just take the pipe cleaner through the eye of the weaving needle, pinch it down, and you're gonna do the same with the other one. Pinch it down. And now where did we say we were going? Oh. I think right here. So I'm gonna take the weaving needles, find a good spot. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, I think this is a good spot. So I'm gonna poke it through. Trying to get through to where I'm, okay, there we go. There, I'm in the grapevine. And I'm gonna use the weaving needle to go through it. So see, it comes out in the back. So we're gonna pull that and pull that. It's not going anywhere. We're gonna twist this off. Now we're gonna trim up the pipe cleaner and we're gonna tuck this back down in. So see how there's nothing poking out through the back of the grapevine? Now that I've flattened out my bow, I'm just gonna fluff that up a little bit. Oh, you can kind of bend the wired ribbon. Can't really do that too much with the fabric ribbon, but you absolutely can with the wired ribbon. Just give it some life. So I'm gonna put this on the door and show you what it looks like. What do you think?
Yeah, very lemony. Looks Bavarian, almost.
Bavarian? I was going for more Italian.
The checkered.
Oh, I see. So see, this was my 4th of July table. And those are my antique plates that are eventually going to go on that wall next to that picture. That's a little better. We just got this piece from Royals Furniture in Titusville. It's a buffet cabinet. So I've got like napkins and aprons in there. All my dish towels and then my seasonal dish towels there. And eventually we're gonna have our utensils and stuff in here. Hey friends, that'll do it for this video. I really wanna thank you for hanging out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. I hope you're having an excellent Sunday. And like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you'd like. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.